when this British Airways attack happened and it became more
Right.
public and more known, and awareness on this MageCart has become more volatile.
Absolutely.
What has happened is every organization, we have taken some steps, and it cannot happen that you implement a tool today and you can take a back foot, or you implement a process today. So we have to take a journey of all the three things: people, process, and technology. And I'll tell you, especially let's talk about MageCart you're talking about, and say today we are an online travel agency. So we work with airlines, we work with marketing agencies, affiliate partners, and then we also work with GDS service providers. So there's so many third parties who take information from us, and then there are so many third parties who give us information, right? So we've got there either you can call it as JavaScripts or an external APIs or a pixel, but we have got so many pixels, so many JavaScripts lying on our websites. What if tomorrow a pixel is changed?
Right.
What if tomorrow the data which you are intended to send, and this comes under, we'll talk about GDPR and CCP also sometime, I'm sure, but this also is a regulatory requirement now, and this. But what if somebody tries to change the JavaScript at the backend and you never get to know about it? Right? So tools, yes, there are tools. Right now there are multiple tools in market which can actually help you read those JavaScripts and then find out if there is any malicious change or an unintentional change or intentional change which has happened in that. Then you need to have built in a process. How do you make sure that if you have asked for a masked email address to be sent to a third party on your site, it is masked?
Yeah.
How do you make sure that if he is asking for an email address, you're not sending a credit card number along with that?
Exactly.
So all those controls have to be put in place through a process. It can be a process of audit. It can be a process of pre-boarding of a third-party vendor. It can be imbibed in a process of doing a check and balances at the source code level on what is going out and what is coming in, right? So these processes have to be in place. Then the third section. So we talk about tools, we talked about processes, and third section, which is very important, is how well aware your marketing and your tech team and your product teams are to handle these kind of cases. There is a JavaScript which needs to be onboarded for an affiliate marketing agency, right? And what will happen if that affiliate marketing agency gives you a script without even testing? You put that script on the on your website, and tomorrow from the backend he changes the script and starts collecting more data.
Right.
Correct. So there has to be awareness in the tech teams on what to check, how to check. There have to be awareness in the marketing team on what kind of affiliates can be onboarded. There have to be awareness in the product team when they implement this. Can we have something like a tag manager to tag all that, all that integrations? So it's a combination of people, process, and technology. And when this combination starts working, it's not that from tomorrow you implement one day and then you will be you'll be protected from MageCart, or tomorrow you implement the tool and you'll be protected from MageCart, right? But slowly and steadily you will be improving this overall collaboration between people, process, technology, and then one day you might want to say that yes, we are somehow protected.
That's right. Absolutely. And it's not a false notion of protection either, right? And I think you touch on it. Having one leg out of the three is not sufficient. You have to have this. It's ongoing. It's not a one-time audit. Absolutely. And it seems like a tough problem, but at the same time solvable, in the sense that if you have certain checks and balances in place, or you have the right tools that are doing things in an automated fashion, ongoing fashion, you would get somewhat of a better understanding, right, of what's on your website.